What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, yes, right now, people, and this story where I go talk about viewers and subscribers, it's a very sad one, people. That was just sent to the attacking boss, my people. No joke about it. You understand? So on today, Wednesday, January 5th, 2022, my people, this story was sent to the attacking boss and said, NEWLINK, this recently happened, NEWLINK, over in a Bridgeport in the United States of America in Connecticut, my people. And them said, this man, you understand, who is the victim, my viewers and subscribers, is also from Bridgeport, over in Portmore, Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers. And he was killed over there in Bridgeport in Connecticut, United States of America. Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. So before I say nothing more people and going on anything upon the story, you understand? But just going to share this voice recording that was sent to the attacking boss about this incident and let you all know what really go on. So let's listen to this, my people.
Then always then I know so that picture that my son come show you. The youth in the jeans outfit. And my brother Birch and my brother go together. Come from Bridgeport, Jamaica there, Portmore. You understand? And last night them be mother give him 5, you know. You see me I deal it? Cause she fuck a youth in the Bronx and like she take out a bench jeep for the youth or buy my bench jeep, wherever. She had youth in a party and thing. You see me I deal it? And one of the friends them go see her and say, yo, them gonna see such girl and such man. So the youth move out. And I say, alright then, cool, no violence and nothing, just move out. And they run and bridging. And she come around there and call him out because she want him take care of the youth for she go flirt and go do her thing. See? And like the man I tell her, I say, no, I'm not take care of the youth or nothing. I'm not watch a youth. I 5 she give him. Yeah man, last night I my right, I said in Bridgeport, Connecticut. The man come from Bridgeport in a Portmore and then in a Bridgeport, America. Jano Star. Yeah man, I be a crazy people, man.
Some viewers and subscribers, as you can hear what go on, Zine, and a lot of people right now, I know I go say this, and I go say that, Zine, but on a real level, most time we hear these story people, we hear say man being the one, you understand, who that comes about man take out the human 3 points. But now you see people how the LAMP0IL them out and them stunting over there in the United States of America. Because see there the people and based on where the voice note that's the people, it is alleged say yo, such and because the woman don't want to do such and such people and you know what I mean, the man did this and boom boom boom. You get me? 5 shot to the man people. You know what I mean? 5 it should give the man and the man is just 36-year-old and living a life yet my people. You know what I mean? 5. So man from Portmore in Jamaica over in a Bridgeport people and in the United States of America people lost his life all because of a LAMP0IL. You know what I mean? All because of a LAMP0IL. So we know we have some wicked, some heartless and some cruel man out there, my viewers and subscribers. No joke about it. Some heartless one, tough heart one. But you know what's upon a real level people, it go both ways. We have some woman out there who's very terrible and deadly and on the heart also, you know. And most of the time, people, if they did have some things in them position, sometimes people, then they use it, you know. What I mean use it, people, then they use it for them and them too, you know. Zine, which me not support no violence against no man, no woman, nobody at all, people. Because I not push that and I not talk about that. But I'm just saying, people, why this something I could have solved in a different way. And based on information I get people and the voice recording people and from information from others out there, why couldn't it have solved in a different way, people? But you take out a strap all because I look mix up on these people. And you hear what they say people recording it. All because the little kid, the human have to live a different life and this and that and you know what I mean? And this is the answer, people. 5 shot. 5, you know. And if you give somebody 5 shot, people, that means you don't want this body to live. You want your death come in your mind, death come in your intention. When you take out that piece, people, and you beat it, boom, 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 and worse dramatic people, pop, 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 pop. You understand? And you put 5 to a person body. That means your heart get black this up. You know, not think in your mind, I think, say, yo, no future did it for us again. You know what I mean? No life did it for us again, you know. Me just want to finish you, me just want to get rid of you. Listen me, I say, man. Ladies, for the man them out the same speed. We are go through them something in a relationship sometime. And sometimes we take up some woman in our life, them a problem, them a demons, and them a crosses. You understand? And you see, when we see the signs them, we need to cut them off. We need to let loose ourselves. Zin, because, and me say this, my viewers and subscribers, there's no way, Zin, and if you know the Bible, Zin, a man must be ahead. You get what me I say? So if the man say, hey, you know what I mean? The woman nothing say, hey, fear thing nothing heavier than the man. You know what I mean? Woman must have respect for man. On a real level, I'm not going against the woman, but woman must have respect for man. See? But you have some woman, they want to play the role as if they are the man and they should be on top of that. You know what I mean? And we are talking about people with respect now. See? Because a man should be a leader in the house, you know, people. See? And you have some woman, they want to be the leader, the ruler, everything. You get me? I say, which me now go tell man for respect woman, man for set things on the table for woman, man for provide for the woman, you know what I mean? But in our relationship, come together as one, unity. See? But you see with some of them woman and people, them they come like said them are the man, bullbuck and dopey conqueror in a one. Everything people. And they want to be on top of everything. You know what I mean? Hungry man certain way, treat the man certain way, my viewers and subscribers. And lady, you know, say if I'm covering a story, right? And a woman being the victim, Zin, and a man commit the act, people, me I go launch an attack on the man. So now I'm covering a story, people, and it is weird, Zin, a man is the victim and a woman do something like this, people, which is wicked, brutal, and cruel, people. I expect because I want me I go come and me I go on a leniency upon it. Attack same way attacking, boss. I mean, if I attack same way, the attack of a drop same way, the attack of a blast same way, my people, because it's a very cruel, it's a very vicious, and it's a very wicked act, my viewers and subscribers. Look, the people, the man love Bridgeport so much. He's from Bridgeport, people, down there in Jamaica, people, managed to live over there in Bridgeport in the United States of America, people. And so what going on now, so what happened to my people, lose him 3 points. All because of one situation, you know, so them sitting there, people. I think it can't fix, you know. It can't fix. Because if a man comes to boom people, him not get the right treatment, that's what people. You not behave yourself like a mother. You not set example like a mother. You want to live a life outside with the kid and do something different, people. The man decide if it comes to boom, 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 boom. But in a yourself, you're not happy, you not rate it, Zane, because you want to be on top, maybe because you come from such place, you want to be on top, you feel so the man for come and the man for do this, because maybe you have some local thing where they call it the P, where end with the R now, where you put it together, they call it paper now, maybe you're responsible for that, people, so you feel so you have the control of everything, and you want to come deal with the man certain way, and in the end, see there, you end up take the man 3 points, but what happened to you now, The man life gone, which is the daddy, right? You now go to prison. Murder, brutally. You understand? It wasn't the self-defense or nothing based on information I get people. You know what I mean? Murder. Left your youth now. How you feeling yourself? Look into yourself. You think this is the answer? Do you think this is the answer? Woman out there on the need for wise up, Zine. And as I say, people, if it was a man, right, who committed the act, people, and a woman would sadly be the victim, people, or the blast the attack upon the man. No jokes. You see now, woman, you go get the attack. A attack for your straight attack. No joke about it. And I hope the hardest, you understand, punishment what they have over there in the estate in the United States of America, them a go give you. You understand? No hard, no leniency, no plea, no did for you. Zine, you take out your strap and you beat 5 past somebody. 5. Bam, bam, bam. As me tell the people, if it was somebody, pop. You understand? Come on, man. No joke about it, my viewers and subscribers. The same attack we are going to launch. You understand? As me say, people, if it was a woman, Zine, 3 points get to go to the same attack. You know what I mean? Come on, man. People need to wise up. I've seen so much of them stop me go on, my viewers and subscribers across Jamaica. So much. Zine, so much. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. When we are going to come together as one, when we are going to start live better, this year called 2022, people, just kick off so, and I bear them something and start going. You could wait for the new year start, we have a new resolution, a new mindset, a new thinking, and all of them in toxic relationship from last year, and from 100 years ago, no still a care them with, all of the feelings and the dirty heart and the dirty corrupt mindset on the got. The cruel and the wicked mentality. You can't dash them the spirit there. But when it comes to boom, when you load it up, when you shove it up, or when you bring it back on in a 2022nd. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Look at these people. The man 3 points gone. All because of a LAMP0IL. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, big up on yourself. And please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe, my viewers and subscribers. Remember, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss, people. Enough love, enough respect, and enough blessings. And thank you all for the love and for the support, people. And just do the right thing. That's all of the Attacking Boss can say, people. Peace out.